I know this sounds crazy, but if you want to be a successful seller on Poshmark, you gotta go purchase something. Be the customer for a minute. This is gonna show you how a seller should act and what a seller should do in order to make more sales. And guess what? Something crazy happened to me today. I went shopping on the Poshmark app to look for a pair of boots that I could use for my trip, and I was immediately humbled as a seller. Not talking about offers when somebody is liking your item, but just useless information or no information at all in the description box. So basically, you don't know what you're buying, especially when the seller only has 2 or 3 pictures of the item. Also, not many people answer counter offers when it shows they are online and active. This, as a seller, teaches me what to do in order to have more sales, because let me tell you, the customers are out there and they're looking for their favorite item. There are customers, hundreds and thousands of them. What to do, you ask? Revise and optimize your listings. Be present, answer questions. I know some people don't have the time, but if you want to get this business off the ground, if you want to make this Poshmark closet a business for yourself, just be attentive, be involved. Make sure your prices are competitive if you want to sell more. But give yourself a little bit of wiggle room, because guess what I did? I was looking for a deal and I was looking to negotiate. It's just the Poshmark culture, so we have to roll with it. And guess what? I found something and I negotiated, and this is what I got. Number 2, and this is basic rules. Make sure you have a decent description and use all the 16 spaces, because Poshmark gives you 16 spaces to use for photographs, and you can also take one 15 seconds video. You can use all this to your advantage, but pictures really are worth 1,000 words. Because would I have had pictures to look at, that would have been a sure purchase for me. No questions asked. Because what happened, I was asking a question and the seller took forever to answer. Actually, she took quite a few hours, but by that time, I already purchased something. You cannot sleep on that. The information that I wanted was really the deciding factor if I should buy or not, right then and there. Most people are impulse buying, so having information and having pictures is really important. I am guilty myself of having high prices on my merchandise, but it's because I know it's either flawless, brand new, and very well described and presented. But from now on, because I've been through this experience, I know exactly what to do. I just want to get out of this 1-2 sales a day. And believe me, I've had 0 sales as well, so I am not completely bragging over here. But right now, I know what to do. I have a lot of things to fix in my closet, and one of them is to lower prices, work on my SEO, and make sure all my listings have videos in them. Make sure to follow and like for more tips and tricks on how to sell on Poshmark. And most importantly, make it worth your time and bring you profit.